Is this recipe the best way to start your day? What are you even listening to? Yeah, that'll wake you up.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my breakfast sandwich 2.0. It's simply the best. It's simply the best. Better than all the rest. Tina Turner. Time to turner it up. First up, let's poach some eggs. This cup looks like my cat. Anywho. Wish I had 2 of these. Eggs. No, that doesn't work. Crack your eggs through a fine mesh sieve. Ooh, there you go. 1 egg. Boop, boop. You do this so that when you poach it, it doesn't get all the wispies. You don't want to be an egg wispier.
I am the egg wispier.
Ready for adventure. Whoop. Woo! I'm also going to add in about 1 TBSP of white vinegar. Bring that water to a boil. Make sure you get a slutty spoon. Poach your eggs, not animals. Ooh, icy. Ice bath ready. When you have the little bubbles, time to drop those eggs. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And we're gonna cook them for about 2.5 minutes. And now we put them in ice bath. Ice bath, engage. Oh, this one's, oh no. Well, one of them broke. Eggs are good. Be careful with your eggs. They're fragile. Fragile dazzle. Guys, it's okay. We can hash it out. Hash browns. 6 is a good number of hash browns, I think. The only kind of drugs I mess with are hash browns. And ketamine. Are we deep frying these eggs?
Yes, we are.
Dredging station. Gonna take a little bit of all-purpose flour. Make sure it's made from 100% dolphins. Breadcrumbs. That's enough. Eggs. Why is there eggshell? Sometimes you gotta whisk everything in life. Boop, 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 beep, bop, boop. Egg into the flour, and then we're gonna put it in its own egg. Be very gentle. Be very gentle. Then we're gonna cover it with some breadcrumbs, and then you put it back. Just be gentle with your eggs, guys. Gentle. Some nice buns you got there. Put your hash browns. Woo, it's hot. Hash browns go in the oven for however long the instructions tell you to do. Instructionals, roll out. Let's prep other things. Brioche. Brioche. Did you hear about the bun that started playing football? His name was Brioche Cinco. Touchdown. That's how you tenderize your buns. Who's the cheesiest of all the Avengers? Brie Larson. Brie. Someone closed the window. It's getting a little bit brie-zy in here. Slice some brie. Save the rest of the brie for a nice date night. Whatever that is. Stupid brie. Ow. Hot, 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 hot. Now we're gonna heat up our oil to about 350 degrees so we can deep fry those bad boys. We're gonna fry it for a couple minutes until they get golden brown. Just wanna give them a nice color, that's all. See? Pretty. Just a little tiny sprinkle of salt just to say hello. Let's get crazy again. Get yourself some prosciutto. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap these little bad boys in prosciutto. Prosciutto's good. What do you know about prosciutto wrapped hash browns? Well, everything now, I guess. That was good prosciutto. Your parents would be so proud. Attack on Titan. Prosciutto's good. Greasy face, toast your bun. I'm crazy, man. I'm crazy. Home stretch, baby. Woo! Oh, sorry. Oh, that's a lot of prosciutto. Ah, it's hot. It's hot. Let's build. I'm gonna do a little bit of brie here. Oh, did I forget to melt the cheese? Woo! I'm gonna melt that cheese. That's enough cheese meltage. First, we're gonna start with some of that hash brown wrapped in prosciutto. Already, you're pretty. I love it. I love you so much. 2 poached eggs.
Yes.
A little bit of mayo. A little bit of crispy chili oil on top. If you wanna know how to make this, the link is up somewhere. Oh boy, everything's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Now that is a breakfast sandwich. Breakfast sandwich 2.0. Dig in. Oh God, that's silly. Wow. Come on, not reasonable. You know, all you need in life is a breakfast sandwich, really. That's how you make friends. A little bit of heartbeat hot sauce because you gotta. That makes me happy. Bye, friends.